Good morning friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. Today we are going to see how to install Python 3 in Ubuntu 24.04. So here Python, when we install, we could be get some error called as error externally managed contact the administrator. So to avoid that, how to solve that problem. So this is what this video is all about. So we are going to see how to install Python 3 and PIP in Ubuntu 24.0. So first thing you do is install the packages Python 3-full and Python 3. So I have just freshly installed Ubuntu. So after that I am just giving the command. It will install around 150 MB of softwares. Now the software is done. Then after that I use Python 3. You can see 3.12.3, the latest version has been installed. Click exit to come out. Now we are going for installing PIP. So PIP install notebook. So it asks you to install one software called as Python 3-pip. So that also you install using this command. I have given all the commands in the description window below. So now when I try PIP install, it will give an error called as error externally managed environment. So in this case, so you cannot able to proceed further. So none of the packages you can able to use. If you are using deep learning, machine learning, all the libraries you cannot use. So if you get this error, then you need to create a Python virtual environment and make the things done. So how to create this environment? So here are the list of steps. So this is very important because many of the people were struggling to use this. So Python 3-m venv. So venv is always available with Python 3 full. Since we installed it, so it will be by default will be available. So you can give any name or any folder you can create in the home folder like this. So I am just creating /Pradeep. So Pradeep is the name of the folder. I am just creating it. Now we can see how do I do that. So clear Python 3 space -m space venv and the name of the folder. I am just giving Pradeep. Now once the environment folder is created, now it will be done. So now I am creating this source. I am just using a source. Source means the particular folder I am making it activating. So activate, when I give that, so you can see there are 3 activate files are that CSH, FISS like that. So this activate is comfortable for Fedora and Ubuntu. Activate.fish for Arch Linux, and CSH any kernel uses the C shell. So now you can see Pradeep is the name which is given in the terminal, and now we can install this notebook. So this notebook is Jupyter notebook. We can able to install it, and now this is how the way it installed successfully. So this is how the way the PAPs packages, preferred packages, all these things will be installed very easily. So whenever you try Python 3, so you just use this method to handle it so that it will be easily managed. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and hope you like the video, and please send it to your friends, scholars, students and others. Thank you very much.